Lecture 6.8 Seal Screen. First, we need to enable the seal screen layer to take a look to the board. In this case, I'm just enable the top overlay, which is top seal screen. You can see a lot of text all over the board. On the bottom layer, there is no seal screen. If you switch to 3D mode, you will see a lot of text over the board. So in order to fix this, you need to click on the object and see what type of document or text it is defining the seal. In this case, it is the comment. Comments usually get the sign or specify on the schematic. The proper way to define the seal screen is on the designator. In this case, we don't need the comments to be shown on the top seal screen. In this case, I'm just gonna be selecting all the comments on the board, and we need to delete those ones. In order to delete, you need to hide, because you cannot delete a primitive that belongs to a component. I'm also gonna do a find similar to the designators and change the size of the seal. After I modify the silk of the designators, sometimes you might need to move it because you cannot have silk over an exposed copper. You can change the location of the seal screen on a 3D mode, but be careful because you can be moving any other object. In that case, you might need to switch to the 2D mode. Make sure you enable the solder mask openings, the top layer, and the top seal screen. When you are in online mode, you can see feedback from the errors. But in this case, for this board, we don't need to be showing the designator. I'm gonna delete some of them. You can see on the bottom side of the board, I have also another designator, which is J5. So you can go there, and when you select a component, you can rotate with the spacebar.